Meaning of deprived.
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 Deprived. The term deprived refers to a state of lacking something that is considered essential or important. It can be used to describe various situations where individuals or groups are deprived of basic human needs such as food, shelter, healthcare, or education. Being deprived can have significant negative consequences, including poor health outcomes, limited opportunities for social mobility, and increased vulnerability to exploitation. The impact of deprivation can be particularly severe on children, who may experience long-term developmental delays and suffer the effects of trauma and neglect. Overall, deprivation results in a lack of access to resources and opportunities, leading to significant social and economic disadvantage.